everyone has already identified is whether the infrastructure comes first or the vehicle comes first. So charging versus vehicle ownership is a very important part. Chicken and egg problems and massive chicken and egg problem which are troubling our ecosystem. One, as everyone has already identified, is whether the infrastructure comes first or the vehicle comes first. So charging versus vehicle ownership is a very important part. Second is component makers will not invest until demand exists. So a battery maker will not set up a battery cell manufacturing plant, which is a very high amount of investment, until they are assured of when, not as, but when the demand will come. This is an important piece, and until that happens, government's objective of making indigenization and homologation is not going to be met. And the third very interesting piece, which you rightly identified, and I'll go deeper into, is financing being available to the vehicle manufacturer, vehicle owners, in a way that it becomes very simple and easy as compared to what is happening currently in the IC engine environment. Like, for example, the auto and commercial finance is a very large business for every single bank in India. And large NBFCs like Shriram Auto Finance have been created just on this asset class. We haven't seen any of that happening in EV space as yet. Even the existing banks and their teams, they call them wheels teams, are struggling because there is no secondary market that is available. So for a banker to underwrite an asset, they're very curious, and they're unable to determine what will be the end state value and the secondary market value of an electric vehicle. Suppose I go and buy a Tata Nexon for 15 lakh rupees. What will it be worth after 2 years or 3 years or 5 years? If they don't know, they will not be able to create a product around this, which I think is a very important piece. And I'm hoping, there is no other way, but I'm hoping that with certain government policies, or maybe if they are insisting giving priority sector lending to this sector, it might just start, because people will be forced to look at this sector and try to create a product. But I think this is a very important reason why companies don't adopt EVs, vendors don't want to buy, average consumer is struggling. Of course, consumer finance is available, but it's a very high cost that is available today as compared to what will be available for a regular vehicle, an IC engine vehicle. The similar thing exists when you are looking to finance a fleet, and a similar thing exists when you're looking to finance a personal vehicle. I think that is one important factor. I don't know if without solving for this challenge, will we ever see a very high amount of adoption.